Have you been hearing a lot about dollar investments in Nigeria lately? Maybe someone you know is earning in dollars while you're stuck watching the Naira dance up and down. It is true. Investing in dollars is becoming a smart way for Nigerians to fight inflation, preserve their money's value, and earn steady income. But before you jump in, there are important things you need to understand. In this video, we are breaking it all down. The what, why, and how of dollar investment in Nigeria. We'll also explore different platforms you can use, the risk involved, and tips to avoid losing your hard-earned money. So whether you are a student, salary earner, business owner, or just curious about how to make your money work for you in dollars, sit back, relax, and watch till the end. This video is loaded with value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is dollar investment? Dollar investment means putting your money into financial opportunities that are denominated or paid in US dollars. That means your capital or returns are in dollars, not Naira. This can include treasury bills in dollars, dollar savings, dollar mutual funds, euro bonds, and even dollar denominated real estate or stock investments. Why is this important? Simple. The Naira keeps losing value. If you saved 500k in 2020, it won't buy the same thing in 2025. But if that money was in dollars, the value would have been protected or even grown. It's not just about saving. Dollar investment allows you to earn in a stable currency. That's powerful, especially for long-term financial security. Think of it like this. The same energy you use to hustle in Naira, if converted to dollar-paying channels, can multiply your effort. Dollar investment used to feel like something all the rich or diasporans could do, but that is changing. One major reason is inflation. Nigerians are watching their Naira savings shrink. It's not safe to keep money in a currency that is unstable. Second, tech has opened doors. There are now platforms and apps that allow you to invest in dollars with as little as $10 to $100. Also, we are seeing a rise in remote work and side hustles. More people are earning in dollars online and are looking for smart places to keep that money. Investing in dollars gives you access to global markets too. Instead of being limited to local investment opportunities, you can now invest in US bonds, international mutual funds, or even save in high-yield dollar saving accounts. Also, let's be honest, it just feels good knowing your money is in a strong currency. So the popularity is no surprise. People are tired of losing value, and dollar investment is about to take control. Now that you understand why dollar investment is gaining popularity, let's explore the types of dollar investment options available here in Nigeria. Number one, Eurobond. Now, these are debt instruments issued in foreign currencies. The Nigerian government and even corporate issues Eurobonds. And when you buy them, you're lending money and earning interest in dollars. They typically offer 6 to 10% interest annually. We have dollar mutual funds. These are professionally managed investment pools that focus on dollar denominated securities. Nigerian firms like ARM, Stanbic IBTC, and FBN Quest offer such mutual funds, and they invest in stable foreign bonds, blue chip stocks, and US treasuries. Number three, we have dollar fixed deposit account. Several Nigerian banks allow you to open dollar fixed deposit account. You lock in your funds for a period of time, 30, 90, 1 year, and earn interest in dollars. Now, the rates range from 1 to 3% depending on tenure and bank policies. We have dollar real estate. Developers, especially in Lagos and Abuja, offer real estate units priced in dollars. They may also provide rental guarantees in dollars, allowing you to earn passively monthly or quarterly. You can also save in dollars using fintech apps like RiseVest, Bamboo, Chaka, Trove, and Pillow. They all offer dollar savings and investment plans, and you can start with as little as $10. Now, some offer some focus on US real estate or ETFs, while others allow you to buy an old dollar in high yield saving account. Lastly, we have foreign stock investing, my favorite. Through these platforms, you can buy US stocks like Apple, Google, Amazon, and receive dividend in dollars. Now, stock offer higher growth potential and also carry more volatility. And before you rush in, let's talk about the risk. Every investment carries risk, even ones in dollars. Number one, the platform risk. Not every investment platform is legit. There have been cases of fake fintech apps vanishing with people's funds. Only invest with registered and regulated currency platforms. Always check for SEC licensing or reviews from credible sources. Number two, the currency conversion risk. Imagine converting 1 million naira into dollars when the rate is at 1,600 naira per dollar. If the rate later drops to 1,400 naira per dollar, you lose money when converting back. So timing is key, and exchange rate fluctuations are unpredictable. Number 3, you have to consider the market risk. If you're investing in stocks, mutual funds, or Eurobonds, the value of those assets can fall due to global events like inflation, interest rate hike, or war. Your capital is not guaranteed. Withdrawal delay and fees. Some platform delay payout or they charge hefty fees to withdraw or convert funds. To always read the fine print, understand withdrawal timelines and currency conversion charges. Now, number 5, we have low returns versus inflation. Some fixed income dollar investments offer just 1 to 2% interest. So if inflation is higher than your returns, your real value still shrinks, albeit slower than Naira. So Ponzi scheme disguised as dollar investment. High return on investment promises in dollar terms can be very tempting. Be extremely cautious of platform claiming 10% monthly returns in dollars. That is not sustainable and usually a scam. And number 7, changes in Nigerian or foreign government policies can impact how you access your fund or declare income. Smart investing means being aware. So don't just chase dollar returns blindly. Vet the platform, understand the asset class, and start small. So you've heard about dollar investment and you're curious, maybe even excited. But before you jump in, let's talk about how to get started safely, especially if you are in Nigeria. First, understand this. Dollar investments are not magic money machines. They require planning, research, and most importantly, protection from fraud. Begin with a clear investment goal. Are you saving for school abroad, building wealth, preserving your Naira earnings? Your goal determines your strategy. Next, choose the right platform. Don't go with just what everyone is hyping. Go for platforms that are regulated, transparent, and have clear dollar investment options, and examples include RiceBreast, Bamboo, Chaka, Trove. Before registering, read reviews, check Twitter, Reddit, or even Facebook communities to hear real user experiences, both the good and the bad. Confirm that the app or platform is SEC approved or working in partnership with a licensed Nigerian entity. Don't invest from pressure or FOMO. Invest because it aligns with your financial plan, not because someone said they made 40% last month. Start small, even $10. The goal is to test the waters and understand the platform's flow before committing bigger amount. Always check for dollar wallet or FX availability. Some platforms might accept only Naira and convert, while others allow funding directly in US dollars. If the app converts your Naira to dollar, take note of the exchange rate margins. Avoid platforms promising guaranteed high returns in a short time. If they say double your dollar in 30 days, that's a red flag. Run, run, run. Learn to diversify. I always say this, learn to diversify. Don't put your entire $100 in one startup stock. Instead, consider spreading your money across ETFs, US Treasury bonds, and blue chip stocks. And you should use platforms that allow you to track performance in real time. Transparency is a sign of trust. Always enable two-factor authentication on your apps. It's a small step that protects your money from being wiped overnight. Watch out for hidden fees. Some platforms charge you for withdrawing, converting back to Naira, or even inactivity. Learn about tax implications too. Dollar investments are great, but understand how profits reporting might affect you locally. Keep a record of your investment. Screenshots, receipts, or monthly summaries. It will help you evaluate your performance over time. Always stay informed. Follow finance channels, blogs, or Twitter spaces talking about global market movement and how it can affect the dollar. Invest what you can afford to lose, even in safe assets. Risk is everywhere. You just reduce it, you don't remove it. Create a dollar emergency fund separate from your investment. This way, you won't panic. Sell during emergency. Build a habit of automated dollar saving monthly. Some apps allow auto debit in Naira and fund in dollar, and that is stress free. Connect with others. Join Telegram or WhatsApp communities where investors share tips and winning. If you can, speak to a financial advisor, even briefly. A second opinion might save you from making a costly mistake. And lastly, be patient. The goal is to build long-term wealth, not overnight success. Stay consistent, stay informed, and keep growing. Dollar investment is not just a trend, it's a strategy. And for many Nigerians, it could be a game changer. Whether you're trying to protect your savings and passive income or plan for long-term wealth, dollar investment offer a way forward. But remember, Information is power. Never invest blindly. Watch videos like this, ask questions, and take calculated steps. If you've learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance content, and drop your thoughts in the comment. Have you tried dollar investment before? What platforms did you use? Thanks for watching, and here's to making smarter money moves. Bye.